it is a tourist occasion because it is just a normal town where people of nearby town visit, because our town is very famous among the nearby towns and it is famous for its agriculture market, but it is not a tourist spot.
Okay. So, has your hometown changed much in recent years?
Actually, I think in last 2 decades, when I wasn't born, there were not all the basic amenities available in my hometown. But now the years which have progressed, and I have seen with my own eyes that my hometown has really developed a lot. Many spectacular monuments are also there, which are very famous among the nearby towns. And whenever I need something, I can really go to shops which are just a stone's throw from my house. So I think one can live here and all the basic facilities which one needs in daily life are available.
Let's talk about writing now. What different types of writing do you do if you do writing? Do you write letters, email, reports, or essays?
Actually, when I get my time from my hectic work schedule, I prefer to write essays because I used to read editorials from newspaper which daily arrives at my home. So I like to pour all my thoughts into a piece of paper. So when I'm free, I used to write essays.
Do you prefer to write with a pen or by using a computer?
Actually, I prefer to write by pen because today in this modern era, everything is just very technical. So I think that writing manually is more preferable.
Okay. Do you like to write stories or poems?
Actually, I have written 2 or 3 poems when I was in class 12 because that was a time when we all friends were going to separate. So till now, I have just written 2 or 3 poems and I haven't written a story yet.
Okay. Let's talk about music now. How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music during evening time because at that time I am free from all my daily chores, and that is the time which is especially devoted to myself, and I spend at least 30 minutes listening to the music.
Have you always liked the same kind of music?
I think when I was a child I used to prefer some rocking music like Punjabi songs, but now I have grown up. I like some traditional music and also some pop music.
Is there a musical instrument you would like to learn?
Yes, I have thought that in future I would prefer to learn guitar, and till now I have practiced my hand in learning harmonium. So it is my dream that whenever I get any chance, I would surely join guitar classes.
Great. So now let's proceed to part two, and I'll be sharing a cue card with you. Okay, and your time starts now. Okay, and your time stops over here. So Kainat, you can start speaking now.
Okay, ma'am. I am a sociable person and I love to help person whenever they are in any need, because I think that it is the foremost duty of being human that we should help needy persons if it is under our approach. Actually, it was a time when I was in class 10 standard and my classmate whose name is Kanika was weak at maths. Initially, I was also a deadlocked at maths, but at that time, my mother took me to a tuition, and I really found my feet in maths, and I continued to score good marks in my maths exam. So I tried to help my classmate Kanika in solving maths. Actually, her house is just a stone's throw from my house. So at every evening, she used to come at my place, and we used to study maths together. I used to guide her through various exercises, and I also used to tell her different ways of solving particular sums. It really helped her a lot. Moreover, it also made me full of gratitude that finally the things which I have learned from some another person are useful to me and also for someone else who is especially a bosom friend of mine. So I helped her at that time and she was really very happy. At the end, she thanked me a lot because we used to practice a lot of maths and her performance in class academics was also getting improved the way I taught her. And finally, when it came to her final exams of class 10th, she scored good marks as comparative to her earlier results of maths. So it was the time when I helped someone, and it was really a good feeling which I felt while helping someone.
1 minute 42 seconds. Do you think that your friend Kanika also might have done the same after taking your help?
Yes, I think she might have done the same because she has a younger brother who is just 1 or 2 years younger than us, and she used to tell me that now she also used to teach him.
Okay. So, Kanika, let's proceed to part 3 of your speaking test, in which I'll be asking questions related to the topic that you just answered on. Let's talk about helping neighbors. What are the practical things people can do to help their neighbors?
Actually, I think that there are myriads of things which neighbor can do to help each other. Like whenever anyone is in any difficulty, the neighbors might stand by them and also help them when there is need, because whenever we are in any trouble, the neighbors are the only person who are near to us and can help us a lot. Moreover, they are the person which we used to meet daily and they know very well about us. So I think there are some things which they can do to help each other.
Explain why neighbors should help each other.
I think that neighbors must help each other very dearly because they are the only person in time of difficulties which are situated near to us and we can go to them whenever we need. Moreover, there are very fruity relations in between neighbors. So I think it is the sole duty of any person who knows each other very well to help them.
Okay. According to you, do people in small towns help each other more or people living in cities?
According to my perspective, the people who live in small towns may help their neighbors to a large extent than the people living in cities. Actually, it can be accounted to the fact that the people who live in cities are very busy in their own life and they barely get time to help each other. So I think the people living in small towns might be more helpful.
Okay, now let's look at the jobs that involve helping people. According to you, what are the jobs that actually focus on helping other people?
I think that the government of our country have appointed many persons for helping the needy people. Like some charity services are also available in our nation. Moreover, the government has launched various schemes which focus on helping the needy people. And there are also some sort of professions which try to gather information about the sufferings of people and also try to find their solutions.
Outline the qualities that people need to do jobs that involve helping others.
I think the people who deal with the job which needs to help people, they might have the qualities of compassion, honesty, cooperation, and many more. They need to be polite whenever they have to go in any social situation.
Okay, comment on whether salaries for jobs that involve helping people are generally too low?
Actually, I haven't gone through any case of this related earlier. So I think the salaries of people who devote all their time helping all the needy people in their area might be high because they spend all their time in helping the needy people, and it is the duty of government that those people who help other peoples might not get in any suffering.
Okay. So Kainath, we end here with your speaking test. Everything was so good actually. Only, let's say, I had asked you a question whether people in small towns help each other or the people living in cities.
Yes, ma'am.
See, so ideally, if I have to answer it, I would start it. Well, that's a tricky question. I would say, as I stay in a small town, then you relate it to your real life. Because for me, it's a
Hmm.
tricky question. And you can say that. It will feel that you are being natural.
Okay, ma'am.
And then, yes, there was one more question which asked practical things people can do to help their neighbors. Okay, so how can we help our neighbors? I think there's one important part is the medical emergencies.
Yes, ma'am.
And another question, yes, this question. Identify jobs that focus on helping other people. So you have to specifically tell about those jobs. You said like, government has many jobs where people help. But specifically
Yes,
कोई designations का नाम लेना चाहिए. It could be jobs in an NGO, or that also can be a job of a caretaker. Even teacher also plays this job because they help students. So list some roles actually.
okay, ma'am.
Rest all, Q card was fine, everything went well. Again, I'll tell you, try to give some real time example.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? The example, you can just take why neighbors should help each other. So say, I remember, when I was a child and I actually was having a medical emergency, my mother was all alone at home. So my mother just thought of calling a next door neighbor, and that's how they took me to the hospital. So create a scenario. It will look okay, you are
Hmm.
being instant, आपसे कोई question पूछा जा रहा है, तो you are not giving that set answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest all was fine. Your communication is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. So tomorrow, yeah. Just join in the class now at 6 o'clock. Then I have someone
Okay, ma'am.
waiting already. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.